A journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. I am not the same having seen the moon shine on the other side of the world. Wherever you go becomes a part of you somehow. The real voyage of discoveries consists of not in seeking new landscapes, but in having new eyes. Traveling allows you to become so many different versions of yourself. Life is a journey, not a destination. Travel, the best way to be lost and found at the same time. I need a 6-month vacation twice a year. Once a year, go someplace you've never seen before. There are no foreign lands. It is only the traveler who is foreign. One's destination is never a place, but a new way of seeing things. Travel makes one modest. You see what a tiny place you occupy in the world.